Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Winnie, and as you can tell by the title, today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to braid passion twists. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So I'm so sorry for the background noise in the intro, so which is why I went ahead to just mute the rest of the video and do a voiceover. So what I do is I just plait my own hair for like a few seconds, and then I don't finish it all the way to the end, so I just do it like halfway, as you can see, and then later I'll just go in with my crochet pin. So right here I crochet in the hair, and then I just start twisting. So once I reach the end, I just tie a knot so I can secure the hair in place. This single crocheting is the best way to install your passion twist because there's low manipulation of your natural hair and there's less, tightening of the hair, so you don't actually have that effect where after you get your hair done and your face is all the way pulled back like you had just had Botox. So I highly recommend this style of installing your passion twist. So guys, as we get towards the end of the video, I really hope you liked. Make sure to comment and please subscribe, and if there are any other new content creators, please let's link up, let's support each other. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. So this is my final look. I actually like how it came out because this is literally my first time doing passion twists, and I think they came out alright. So yeah, watch out for my next video.